Hi, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter Vlog and I'm here today with a PaperDistrict unboxing video. The mailman came literally 1 minute ago and I haven't opened it yet. I'm so excited, but I wanted to do this on camera. Actually, I was expecting this one because I missed it yesterday, but I also got my first paper gang box in a tube. So I will also be filming an unboxing of that after this one, but I'm currently opening a PaperDistrict box. Anyway, I'm just gonna get something to open this and then we will get started. There's a little card and a lot of confetti, which is unfortunately on the bottom of the box. Anyways, I'm just gonna open this. I'm way too impatient. PaperDistrict is a website that has, I don't know, a lot of paper, a lot of bullet journaling stuff, a lot of scrapbooking stuff, and they had a little discount on these loose paper sheets. So I ordered some loose paper sheets and one paper pad and I'm just gonna take you through all of them. Like I said, they're all from different collections. I will try to name the collection if I know. I think all of them are named. Okay, no spoilers. So the first paper on here is the One Canoe 2 from the Twilight collection, or the Field Notes collection, I think it's called. Oh, it says so right there. Yes, the Field Note collection. On the back you just have some really pretty, I don't know, golden leaves, but I bought this sheet because I really like the font. I love using little cards like these in mail. And I don't know, this one seems a little bit magical, which I really love. So that's the first one from One Canoe 2. And then this one is, I ordered this one for a video that I'm gonna be making. If you look at the sheet, you probably know what my video is going to be about. It's from the Hello Easter collection from Echo Paper. I think so. Anyway, I'm going to be making a Easter themed snail mail video someday soon, and I thought this would be cute. They also had a lot of sheets with, I don't know, bunnies and eggs and those little chicks, but for some reason they didn't really speak to me, and I thought that this sheet, both the front and the back, I could just use and make something fun by myself. Yeah, this is going to be of use. Then this one, I think it's really pretty. It was actually about this side, but I also think the back is really pretty. This is, I don't know, I'm not really good at this. I will put all the links in the description down below if you want to check them out, just in case I make any mistakes. This is Primrose journaling cards. I think it's called Flora from Cartabella Paper Co. Anyway, again, just check the link in the description if you want to know anything for sure. So these are again some journaling cards. I said so with this one, but I just really like using them. And I have to say this paper is quite special because the texture is different. It's quite sturdy and there's some sort of texture. I don't know how else to explain it. Oops. Stay with this sheet, Vivian. Okay, so there's some really pretty journaling cards up here. Let there always be love in her eyes and the flower in her hair. I don't know, I just really relate to this because I'm quite the flower girl myself. Really love all the designs with the flowers and the color combination, and yeah. And on the back, I showed you in the beginning, is also the flower design. Very pretty. Then this one, I ordered this one. It's from Simple Stories and it's also an Easter collection. I just bought this one because I really like mint colors. Then another spoiler alert, I'm going to be making another video with, guess what, unicorns. So I had to get some paper with unicorns. This one is from the Dear Lizzy Stay Colorful collection. I have some more items I think of this, but anyway, you have unicorns on the front and sprinkles on the back. This is from Pink Paisley, the Pick Me Up collection. I have the photo frames on the front and just some, I don't know, colors on the back. Really like this, and what I want to do is just basically fussy cut them and use all of them individually. And then these two are my favorites. Both of them are from the Flourish collection from Maggie Holmes. These two are just so pretty. I normally don't even like yellow, but this is definitely my style. Okay, so I'll just start with this one. You have the yellow roses on the front. I think they're roses. And you just have a pink stripe design on the back. I don't know why I love this so much, but I do. And then here you have some drawings of flowers on the front. Very beautiful again. And then on the back you have some yellowish grid. And I don't know what is this. It's like a stitch line. Oh, what's wrong with this paper pad? That's a little bit of a shame. This paper pad looks a little bit dirty. I don't know. I think it's in good shape, but I don't know what happened with that. But anyway, this paper pad, I really wanted this for so long. I did a Craftelier unboxing a little while ago, and I bought some of the papers. I think I bought this paper from this pad because I couldn't get this pad and now I have it. I don't know all the designs that are in here, but I know some of them and they are very pretty and I'm very excited. And I'm going to take you through the papers one by one. Oh, what the heck? It's like a little bit falling apart. I might have to send a message about that, but anyway, the papers seem to be in good shape, so that is good. We have the beautiful journaling cards again. This is like my favorite design. We have this mint green paper with the black triangles. This one I really like it. So I do know, like I said, I do know some of the paper that's in here because I checked out the collection online, but I've never actually seen it in real life and I'm very excited. And this is actually more my thing. Very pretty. Again, that's my favorite. And you have the confetti. I'll go a little bit quicker because I'm talking too much. I don't know what is this. It looks a little bit like tire tracks. Yellow. Oh, that's very pretty. Oh, I've never actually... This is cute as well. You can just cut out the squares and use them. So pretty. Oh, this is a nice color. My old room back at my parents' is this color. Oh, this is the paper sheet that I ordered online at Craftelier. If you want to see my unboxing, I'll put a link in the description down below. I ordered these papers individually, and then you have this one on the front and this one on the back. This is definitely my favorite. I love these colors. Love anything with flowers. And then this one, yeah, it's cute. And this. That's cute. I really like that this pad also has some papers that are a little bit less busy, you know, so that I can use these as some sort of a background. Oh, these are cute as well. I love the colors. Again, a lighter pink. Perfect for a background. I'm actually really happy with this. This is not really my style. I do like the colors, but the black is just too much. Oh, I love this. Beautiful blue. And then again, pretty flowers, some more pink. Some more. Almost looks like paint. Someone painted that on. Oops, what's this? Don't know what is wrong with this paper pad. Looks like it fell or something, but it's not that bad. It's just I love it when paper is all smooth and stuff. And then this one, you just have like the same design twice, so this is just going to be the same again. I think. Where's my favorite? There's my favorite. Okay, so that is the paper pad. So that is it for now. I'll link everything in the description down below, and I will be filming the paper gang unboxing after this. So be sure to also check that out. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to also check me out on Instagram. I always forget to mention that, but I'm on Instagram too. So I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.